We have stopped at the 𝙨𝙗𝙧𝙚 Bridge and Observatory, and we're fixing to go into the top of this thing. What a gorgeous bridge this is. And we're going all the way up past the bridge, all the way to the top. Okay, he said to leave the elevator and go right. And go up 2 flights of stairs, but wow, there's already a view here. Nice. And let's go up 2 flights of stairs, and we are in the observatory. There's the bridge we'll cross when we leave here. Wow. What a view. There's the bridge from the other side. We're parked down there, but you can't see where we're parked at. The compass rose here in the floor. So the compass rose was based on a 1613 map by Samuel D. Champlain, 1604.
It means 71 miles away. I get it.
Little cars going across the bridge look like ants. You can see Fort Knox over there. Isn't that a cool view? I've stopped here at a little place in Maine, and we're fixing to go hike to a waterfall. Ah, look at this cool tree here on the trail. I don't know what kind of tree that is. It looks like it was huge at one time. Nice. This is the Cascade Falls Ferry House Village. Let's go in this village and see what we can find. Fairies love nature and want to protect it. And you can come out here and build you a village out of wood, moss, linens, leaves, flowers, bark. So here's one that somebody has built here. I've never seen a fairy village before. This is cool. Here's another cute one. There's one there. A little bitty one here. And this one they used wire, and I don't think they were supposed to. They were supposed to use nature. That's cute. So now I can say I've been to my first fairy village ever. Here's a stone house here. Oh, this is cool. I think that's the neatest one right there. Made out of stone, moss, and wood. Max went into one of the little fairy houses to visit. Hey Max, what you doing, buddy? Can I come into your home? Linda's gonna go down. She has found a rope here, and she wants to know what's on the other end of that rope. So she's gonna try to find a way down there. All right. Here she goes. That scare you? And now Sandy's going down there, and I'm up here holding the dogs, or holding Max.
Come on down. I'll hold for a little bit.
And she found the end of the rope. All right, let's go down there and see. Come on, Max. This is a nice little trail. It's a moderate hike. You are going up and down. But there is another fence down here, and I'm not sure exactly what's in this fence. I don't know why there's a fence there. Look at this tree, though. Isn't that cool? Let's see if we can figure out what this fence is for. I don't know what this is. It's just a wire gate and fence, but I don't know what it was for. I mean, hey, that's interesting. I don't know exactly what it is. But there was a gate on it at one time. And there's some pieces on the ground on the other side. With a concrete foundation. Something that's been abandoned. Found the front side of the waterfall, and man, that is gorgeous. I'm walking down here closer to it. I think we can go over here on this rock and get right up next to it. Oh wow, we're pretty close. But I think we can even get closer. Let's go around this way. Oh wow, look at that view. Right here at the waterfall. It's probably loud.